Hello and welcome to Design. My name is Maria, and today, as I am anxiously waiting for all of the spring summer shows to arrive and happened so I can do the spring summer 2021 kind of edition of trends. Well, that's not happening just yet, but it is starting to. I decided to just do a little bit of a travel outfit vlog situation. This is a little bit new for me. So basically I will be showing you guys the capsule closet that I've created to go for a trip to visit my family. I live on Vancouver Island and I had to go to Vancouver over on the ferry, I know it's so fancy, and visit my family. It was my nephew's birthday, and yes, let's just get started. So first of all, when packing, I decided to go for a continuous one color theme. This will make travel so much easier because you don't need to worry about things not matching up when you're actually there and you want to like change up your outfit. Because let's face it, travel can be very unpredictable, whether it's weather, whether like your plans change and maybe you wanted to go for a lovely dinner one evening but then ended up going for a hike. So I've paired everything so I can pair it together, if that makes sense. So everything in my suitcase could go with each other, like everything. So how do you go around it? So for instance, I decided to have everything high-waisted. So all my shorts were high-waisted, all my pants and skirts were high-waisted. So that way I knew that I needed to bring on high-waisted underwear. And all the tops must have been like suited for those pants. If I were to bring a low-rise pant, I can't really wear it with a cropped top. Some people can, but I can't. I've also brought a bunch of like really simple things and a huge bag of jewelry just so to spice things up. It didn't take that much space anyways. So here you go, you can see me packing. I've put a pair of shoes in the slots where the suitcase has the handlebar, so they kind of take their space there. One nice pair of jeans. I have two pairs of shorts, a t-shirt, some tops and such. Later I have this vest right here that I really did not want to kind of mess up by folding it, so I had to roll it up and then nicely place it in an arc way. So you can see the way of my method is rolling things up and kind of creating around it. My makeup bag and my jewelry bag, and that's pretty much it. And all the big things that I wanted to also wear, I just wore it on the way there. So it was my blazer, my maxi skirt, and a white shirt, white button-up shirt with a little scarf. Now let's take a look at some of the outfits. So as I mentioned, I had to go for a ferry ride to get to where I was going, and here's my outfits. So as you see, mid-calf skirt with the blazer and a white button-up shirt. These things would have taken so much room in my suitcase, so I've decided to just wear them, and I'm so glad that I was, because that was really windy trip. I also have the scarf, mask purposes, because on the ferry you have to wear a mask, and as well as these huge chunky white sneakers. I've also decided to wear them because they would have taken like majority of the space in the suitcase, and they're comfy to wear while traveling. Okay, whew. And a purse, right, that matches the color theme. So in case you didn't notice, the color theme was very light, kind of a pinkish, yeah, pink, white, and brownish, like a kind of a dusty rose thing going on, I think, yeah, okay, and gold jewelry. So the next outfit, I just wore really casual. It was kind of like a day at a park, just short shorts with a graphic tee and the sneakers again. Yeah, that was pretty simple, so let's just move on. The next outfit was the birthday party, which I wore this puffy sleeve white see-through, like a mesh button-up shirt with the skirt and some jewelry and yeah, okay. So in every outfit, once again, I could wear something else in it, depending on how fancy I wanted to look. Then, like, for instance, if it was more casual, I could put on that graphic tee or this top right here that I'm wearing. All right, next outfit. As a family, we had a fun, and my dad actually drenched me from head to toe in that outfit that you've seen before. So I had to change, and this is what I changed into really quickly. It was just like an off-shoulder sweater with the high-rise jeans. Yeah, just nice and simple. Just, you know, had to get myself warm. Okay, next one. All right, so the next one was kind of like on a run. Kind of, we went shopping for the party, for like a kids party this time, and I decided to go once again for my shoes, my comfy chunky sneakers, my short shorts. This time I wore this little thing, this little lovely silky top, and a blazer over that, just in case if it got windy. My sunglasses, my purse, everything matches, everything is cool. Yeah, of course, can't forget about the earrings. Yeah. Okay. Do you like the surroundings? It's my sister's house. It's pretty cool. Yeah. If you guys are enjoying this content so far, please consider liking this video and subscribing to this channel. It would definitely mean a lot to me. And if you guys like it, maybe other people will see it. So yeah, do that. All right, so the next one is the fancy party that I got a chance to go to. It was so cool. But anyways, I decided to wear a kind of one-piece lacy, you know, the thing that clips on the bottom so it doesn't rise up. Anyways, one of those tops and white shorts. The reason I didn't wear those shorts again, because I was afraid of, you know, getting something on them and then not being able to wear it to this party. A longer vest that kind of hid all my problem areas, and of course, because I was visiting my sister and we kind of have the same shoe size, she let me borrow her purse and shoes. All right, yes, I did cheat a little bit. I did borrow some things from my sister, but the shoes that I was wearing a few outfits ago would have worked perfectly with this. So, you know, don't throw rocks at me, okay? I just wanted to spice things up. All right, so the next morning was my nephew's birthday. It was his second birthday, so the theme was to the moon. That's why I'm holding a little astronaut, and I'm just honestly wearing something comfortable. It was pretty chilly, so I'm wearing my jeans. I've asked my sister for something comfortable to wear because my feet were not happy after wearing heels all night long. So once again, I'm cheating, but come on, white sneakers that I brought with me would have worked fine with it. I'm wearing this again with a white button-up over top. I just tied it up, so I had kind of this comfort of not being exposed everywhere, especially at a birthday party, because like things are happening, you're like bending over, standing up, and anyways, yes. All right, moving on. So the next outfit is again another like a casual outfit. I'm wearing jeans once again with the graphic tee, with my blazer, the same purse, same shoes, sunglasses. Yeah. I was really glad that I brought my blazer because it was a chilly week, and yeah, here we go. Ta-da! So next outfit is I'm heading back home once again on the ferry. Wore jeans this time instead of the skirt. Wore the see-through puffy sleeve shirt, a button-up shirt with the blazer and the jeans, and once again the chunky sneakers, and yeah, so here we go. And a little tip for the masks: if your ears are hurting, you can always put a bobby pin or one of those like clips, fancy clips, and put the the string through it so it's not on your ears. Or if you're kind of like in between places where you don't have to wear a mask, you can just like leave it hanging there so it's not, you know, you don't have to touch it. Like apparently it's a big thing that you shouldn't touch it a lot because it will get on your hands or something. Anyways, so here you go, you guys. Thank you very much for watching. Maybe comment down below which one was your favorite outfit, and stay tuned for spring summer 2020 trends that are happening soon. I promise you guys. Also, if you want some more outfit inspirations, you can go ahead and check out my Instagram page where you can DM me about questions, maybe of things that you have in your closet and you don't know how to wear them or pair them or anything like that. I would love to help you out with that. So once again, all of those items in my suitcase could work together any way possible. So my plans changed. I could substitute one thing for another and make it fancy or make it casual or like suit any occasion, if it's colder, if it's warmer. So here we go, you guys. That was it. That was my wardrobe. I'm waving my hands too much as people have suggested. And yeah, here you go, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, bye.